This dragon destroyed a village by sneezing. He didn't mean to. He just had a cold. Every time he sneezed, something went boom. Once, a cow flew into the sky from one big sneeze. The villagers shouted, "No more sneezing dragons. Do you like this silly dragon? Press like so he feels better." He flew away, hoping to find a way to stop sneezing. He found a magic soup shop on a mountain, but the soup man sneezed too. He was allergic to dragons. Soon, everyone in the forest was sneezing. The ski turned orange from all the sneezes. Then they saw something cool. His sneezes made heat and power for the village. Now he's a hero and starts campfires for fun. Want more funny dragon stories? Subscribe before he sneezes again.